So today I'll show you how to make these beautiful earrings. So for that we have to take two different colors paper strip. I'm taking here 3 mm strip. Paste it together and just start rolling it with your quilling slot. Now open the roll and secure the ends using glue. And now push the corners like this. It will look like an eye shape. And now take your quilling slot and just place it in middle and fold the coil like this. Apply some glue and secure it. Now apply some glue outside of the petal and take a paper strip and wrap around it. Secure this as well. So I have created some petals. And now we are going to assemble all the petals together. So apply some glue one by one and paste it. So it's done, let it dry for some time. And now I'll show you how to make a tassel. For that you need a cardboard so that you can roll your thread around it. Roll the thread around 60 to 70 times. Cut it out from the cardboard and secure it with a piece of thread. Follow the step that I am showing you in the video. And now fold the thread and secure it with a knot at the top as well. And now straight the tassel using an iron. Now make it even by cutting it. And now I'll show you how to make a ring for your earring hooks. Take a paper and fold it. Secure the ends using glue and it's done. Now attach your ring with your flower. Apply some glue and attach it. Let it dry for some time. And now we'll attach our tassel. For that I am taking my glue gun. I'm applying hot glue on it and just attach it on the middle. Now insert your earring hooks in the ring. So guys, guys, it's done. Hope you liked it. And guys, if you liked watching this video, so please give this video a big fatty thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys if you are new to this channel. And I'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.